Many content creators quit because making videos take too much time and energy. Editing feels like a full-time job, and it can quickly kill your motivation. But with ShortBeast AI, you can skip all the hard parts. The tools writes your script, records the voice, and edits the video automatically. Instead of being stuck behind a computer for hours, you can have your content done in minutes. This helps you avoid burnout, stay consistent, and actually enjoy creating again. If you want to create videos without the stress, sign up through my link in the description and try ShortBeast AI today.